All right, welcome to Becoming Tony Stark with Claude Code. And I genuinely believe that I'm getting closer to becoming him the more that I use Claude Code. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. But what do we love about Tony Stark? We love that he can build pretty much anything he sets his mind to. He's got an awesome AI sidekick called Jarvis. And he's pretty much a man who takes no shit from anybody else, right? And that, I think, is what draws us towards him. And over the last 2 months, I've gone all in on building with Claude Code, and some of the things that I've built are remarkable. So what I want to do is show you what I'm building, how I was able to build it, and if it's of interest of you, I want to show you how you can replicate this as well. So what I'm actually showing you right now on screen, this flowchart system right here, I built this. I built this from scratch. It did not exist 3 weeks ago, but it has all the functionality that I want in terms of, at the very bottom, all the design structure. If you look at the top right hand corner, all these designs were custom made by me for specific use cases, and like the present features are everything that I want. So the reason I'm mentioning that is because for the longest time, I've paid for flowcharting tools like this one called Excalidraw, for example. I've paid for this for years. But I decided I don't really need to pay for this. I don't want to. It has limitations. I can't edit the features the way that I want. But I just built mine from scratch. And it took me maybe like 2 hours. So together what we're going to do is I actually want to cancel this subscription and get out of my membership right here. So I'm going to go to billing. It's not even that expensive. It's just the concept of me paying for a tool that I no longer need to because I can own it. There's something like special about that. It's like, you know, when you like run your own farm and you're like self-sufficient and sovereign, that's what it feels like. Like these days, I don't buy subscriptions. I just build whatever the hell I want and then I own it and I can customize it and I can do whatever I want. It's a really, really cool feeling. So what I'm going to do now is just cancel the subscription. Let's get rid of this over here because I do not need this anymore. Alrighty, that's done and dusted. And the tool that I built is just for my internal use. I don't even intend to sell this. I'm just building my own internal software stack, right? Now, something else that we're building is I'm building a product for the insurance industry in the US. Like I was able to build this super advanced modeling and forecasting tool for annuity insurance agents in the US, an industry I have no idea about, but alongside Claude Code, now I have meetings with the biggest insurance carriers in the US to show them our product, to go through their compliance process and actually sell this to insurance agents. That is something that is completely unheard of, and I have no idea how I fell into this. It was just a good opportunity that I found, but Claude Code allowed me to do this, and I just built it alongside my Jarvis. Another quick example to show you is that there is this tool that I liked. It's like a video hosting tool that has like really cool features. It's called Vitalytics, so all of this, right? So what I did is I took their URL, I told Claude to just conduct deep research and understand this tool intimately and understand exactly how it works and put together a spec for me. Then I said, I don't need this feature, I don't need IP filtering, I don't need that kind of stuff. And then what I did is that I got the spec of it. Now I'm going to take this entire spec, I'm going to give it to Claude Code and say, just build this out for me. Just basically give me this exact software because I don't want to pay what it's like $100 for the high subscription. Claude forecasted I can host this myself for like $10 a month. So I just took that all into my own hands and just built it myself. The benefit, it's not just the cost savings, right? It's that I can customize this to whatever features that I want. I can add on to it. I can remove features. I can custom design it the same way that I built my flowcharting software. Like the present features works in a very specific way that I need to record my reels and all of that and the way that that's set up. So just to give you a quick overview, this is how it works inside Claude. Like I literally talk back and forth with it in plain English, saying things like, hey, whenever I click on a flowchart on the left-hand panel, it jumps to the top of the list, which is super annoying. I really want it to jump to the top only if I make a change, not if I just view it. Claude does its whole thing. I don't even know what it does, makes the change, and then that's good. And I just talk to it like a friend. I just say, change this, change that. I was messing with this. And it's allowed me to build an app that has saved me so much time and helps with my productivity. Do you guys want to see a really cool use case that I put into that flowchart system? So when you go into my flowchart system, you know how I make my flowcharts? If you follow me on Instagram, you see that I make like my automation flowcharts. I created a way for this to AI generate these flowcharts for me. So at the bottom, you see there's a quick build option. And then here I can just load an example. This is like I can basically just write it in like a specific language that I came up with, click generate flowchart, and it makes the entire flowchart for me. I don't have to sit there. Before I used to manually make these nodes, connect them together, copy paste them, edit it. This will literally generate these for me. Now I just told Claude to basically build this for me. So the idea of this video, the reason that I'm bringing all of this up, is that I'm on my path to becoming Tony Stark, and I'm super excited where this is going because I feel like I can do anything. I feel like invincible. But I want to know if you want to learn this as well. So this is not something that I have a course on. This is not something I ever plan to teach. I just happen to do it because it helps me internally and I'm making a lot of cool stuff with it. But if you're interested in, having the superpower where anything that your mind can think of, you can bring to reality, whether that's SaaS, whether that's an app, whether that's an internal tool for yourself. If you're interested in doing that and learning from me, because I'm learning as we go through this, and as the technology gets better, it's only going to get easier for us. You don't really need to be technical. I don't have a technical background. I studied finance in school, and here I am building apps and amazing products. So if this sounds interesting to you and it's something that you want to learn, then I'm happy to dedicate resources to showing you how I'm doing it and maybe put together a community of sorts. So I don't know what the call to action is. Maybe in the description I might put like a Telegram group to gauge people's interest. Definitely put a comment below to express interest. Tell me if you're serious and you actually want to invest time to learn this skill. Either I might make a school community or a Telegram group where we can kind of share updates. And when I do launch a course or a program, if there's enough interest, then I'm more than happy to just release that to everybody. So I'm super excited for the future and what's coming. I'm going to continue to keep building amazing things, but if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And hopefully this catches on and I can create some more videos about this for you. I'll see you in the next one.